Hi, my name is Bruce and I'm with the X-Rite Technical Support Department in the Imaging Group, and this is a short YouTube video that's designed to show you the variety of X-Rite devices that we currently sell that can be used for profiling your monitor. There's two different categories of devices that we sell that would fit that bill. One group is called colorimeters, the other group would be called spectrophotometers. Let me show you what we currently sell and you can see which one you might have and decide which one might best fit your needs if you don't have one yet. First device we're going to talk about is the Huey Colorimature. And the Huey is designed at the serious amateur, to be used by the serious amateur. And this is a device that fits with suction cups on the front of your monitor, reads the colors that come up in the software, and builds a monitor profile to correctly adjust your monitor to the correct color temperature. It has a counterpart in the Huey Pro, very similar in the way it does what it does. The difference is that the Huey Pro has an enhanced feature set, allows you more control over the profile that you build. The Huey and the Huey Pro are both marketed by our Pantone division. Pantone is now part of the X-Rite corporate family. Behind the Hueys, we've got three colorimeters. The one on the left-hand side that's in white is the ColorMonkey Create. ColorMonkey Create is designed to be used with ColorMonkey software, and if you call us for support on this item, we're going to ask you to turn the device over and tell us the serial number, please. Again, this particular device has a number of what look like suction cups on the underside. They're not designed to support the weight of the device on the monitor, just to keep it resting flat against the monitor but not scratch your monitor's face. ColorMonkey Create is designed to be used with its own ColorMonkey software. The other two similarly shaped colorimeters, the Ione Display LT and the Ione Display 2. The Ione Display LT, again, looks physically identical to the ColorMonkey Create. The difference is it's designed to be used with a completely different piece of software called Ione Match. We have some other programs that can use this device, but the primary software you're going to use with it is called Ione Match. The Ione Display LT will measure the color temperature and the gamma of your monitor. So that leaves us with the Ione Display 2 colorimeter. Physically looks identical to the Ione Display LT. When you call us about this device, we're going to ask you to turn it over and confirm for us that it is in fact an Ione Display 2 and to give us the serial number. That'll help us know which feature set your device has. When used with Ione Match, this device can measure color temperature, gamma, and also importantly measure luminance of your monitor so you learn how bright your monitor is. If you ever had the situation where prints are darker than you would expect them to be based on what you saw on your monitor, most often we find that's caused by a monitor that's set too brightly. So that's the Ione Display 2. Now, we also have a series of devices called spectrophotometers. This is the ColorMonkey Photo Spectrophotometer, and the ColorMonkey Photo Spectrophotometer can do three things. It can profile your monitor, it can profile a printer, and it can profile a projector. ColorMonkey Design, identically shaped device, uses a different piece of software called ColorMonkey Design software. ColorMonkey Design is aimed to be used by graphic designers as its primary usage group, whereas ColorMonkey Photo would be used probably by photographers. The difference between the two devices is that they do the same things and the software has very similar features. They're just arranged in slightly different ways. So you might have a ColorMonkey Photo if you're a photographer. You might have a ColorMonkey Design if you're a designer, but they are the same device in terms of what they can do. They just operate slightly differently in terms of software. And the last two that we have here are from our Ione family of spectrophotometers. And the one that you see in the background is a device that we still support but no longer sell. This Ione Display device, Ione Monitor. Ione Monitor is a device that looks like a spectrophotometer, but it can only profile monitors. It doesn't have any lamp in it to profile a printer. So although we no longer sell this, we still do technically support it. And again, if you call us for some information and support about that one, we're going to ask you to turn the device over and give us the serial number. And that brings us to the Ione Pro spectrophotometer. We have a number of different varieties of this. The two that are currently sold would be the Ione Basic, which has monitor profiling built in and the ability to add other licenses, or the Ione Extreme, which has all the licenses that are possible for use with an Ione, meaning you could profile a monitor, a printer, a scanner, a camera, or a digital projector. When you call us for support and assistance on that, we're going to ask you to turn the device over and tell us, is yours an Ione UV Cut or an Ione Pro, and also the serial number. Once we have that information, we can tell you from our records what features your device has loaded in it. If it turns out that the license that you want to have is not currently loaded, that certainly can be added to a device. But again, today we sell two varieties of it, the Ione Basic, which has monitor only, and the Ione Extreme, which has all the profiling licenses in it. Well, that's a quick overview of the different devices that we have right now in the X-Rite families that are able to profile your monitor. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.